Gone are the days where you needed to pay and install a video converter on a PC to convert your video files. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any video to any format online for free. So stay tuned. So hello there, it's Zenith here from NS Tech, and let's begin with our online video conversion tutorial. I will be converting this stock footage from WebM to MP4 with the help of a website. So now let's open browser and go to onlinevideoconverter.com. This is my most favorite online video converting website. It's fully free and has no restrictions or limitations on using its services. The conversion speed may be affected during the peak hours but will still be faster compared to converting on an average PC. So if you don't have a good PC but have a fast internet connection, you are going to love this. Here you can see three options. First one is for converting and downloading an online video from its link. You can paste the link of a YouTube video here and download it after conversion. Second one is for uploading and converting a video or audio file from your PC. We are going to use this option. Third option is for downloading the website's browser extension for directly using its services on a web page. So now let's click on convert a video or audio file. Now click on select or drop file and select the file you want to convert. This may take time depending on the video file size and the speed of your internet connection. The video is been uploaded to the server. Select format you want to convert your video to. I will choose MP4. Select more settings if you want to change your video resolution or trim the video. Once you are done, just press start and the conversion will begin. Your video is now in your desired format. Click download and download your video. That's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.